Hi everyone, it's Liz Danoon here, and today is Wednesday's Facebook Live, and the topic is how to make punctuation fun for our kids. And that's right, I did say fun. So I put an alert up today, and I hope I have let most of you know that I'm going to be on this Facebook Live. I'll try and put an alert up each time. My day gets so jam-packed in my office that I'm just literally doing 20 things at once. I'm like, right, I'm going to get this Facebook Live done. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So the topic is how to make punctuation fun. And today we are going to be focusing on the comma, the little pause that goes into sentences where we naturally want people to take a tiny little break. Full stops are different. Full stops are more of a break, but commas are tiny little breaks. And the way I teach this in the speech to spelling code is I say a full stop is a clap and a comma is a click. And that's what makes it fun. Now, I'm actually going to show you one of my lessons that I use inside the speech to spelling code. It's a little story I wrote, which has lots of commas in it. And today I'm going to read you this little story, and I'm actually going to put all the clicks in for you so you can see how this works. Are you ready? It's all about a boy who sees a dog being mistreated and has to take action. So you can see how this will appeal to children. I knew when I wrote this little story that it would appeal to my children, and I bet it would appeal to yours too. So let's make a start. It goes like this. Sam saw the older boy kicking the dog. With growing anger, Sam grabbed the boy, surprising him. "Don't do that," Sam screamed. The large boy squinted, sizing Sam up, and then began to attack him, throwing punches, slaps and kicks. Sam dodged and ducked the savage blow. But he was scared, hearts thumping. The two boys glared at each other fiercely. Sam called out for help, and within seconds, people began to come to his aid. The cowardly boy growled in anger, but then fled on a nearby bicycle. Sam went straight to the dog's aid and carrying it to his mum's car where it could recover until he could find a new home for it. You get the idea how the clicks show you where to have a break. This time I'm going to read it, and I'm going to put the clicks and the claps in to give you even more of an insight how the commas and the punctuation, as in the full stops, work together. Sam saw the older boy kicking the dog. With growing anger, Sam grabbed the boy, surprising him. "Don't do that," Sam screamed. The large boy squinted, sizing Sam up, and then began to attack him, throwing punches, slaps and kicks. Sam dodged and ducked the savage blows, but he was scared, hearts thumping. The two boys glared at each other fiercely. Sam called out for help, and within seconds, people began to run to his aid. The cowardly boy growled in anger, but then fled on a nearby bicycle. Sam went straight to the dog's aid, carrying it to his mum's car where it could recover until he could find a home for it. There you go. That is one of the stories that I teach in the speech to spelling code. It is also one of the ways that I animate and make punctuation movement based. So kids think, wow, there's a break there, I have to do a little comma. Or there's a stop there, I better do a little full stop. I have other things for exclamation marks, and you might have heard some where they perhaps should have gone in that story. Question marks, exclamation marks, talking marks or quotation marks. And if you're in America, you call a full stop a period, which I know about too. So if you think that is something that might help your children to be more excited about punctuation and particularly commas and full stops, feel free to incorporate that into your reading sessions. And if you want to know more about the speech to spelling code and how I teach it, there'll be a link later on down the bottom of this Facebook Live where you can take a look. And hello, Sandra. It's lovely to see you today too. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day. There will be a blog post that will come out this time next week with this story in it that I wrote about this boy, Sam, who rescues this dog who's being mistreated by an older boy that he sees out on the street. And you can even use this story to help your children understand a little bit more about commas and full stops. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.